Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now this is a project to build a highway from Harborview in St. Andrew through St. Thomas into Port Antonio, which is in Portland. It's the largest road project the government has on the way. Now, it's been built in sections. So today we're going to focus on the section between Harborview and Yalos. That section is being worked on by China Harbor Engineering Company, and this is the actual road we're driving on. So we are in the 11 miles Bull Bay area, and we're giving you an update on what's going on with the project. Now, the new completion date is August of this year, which is about 12 weeks from now. June, July, August, 14 weeks from now. So this section of the road, it's going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway with the Jersey barrier in the middle. So from Harborview to Yalos, it's going to be 4 lanes. Now this section we're driving on, the existing road is being upgraded to 4 lanes. So this is the progress that has been made so far. So you can see on the right, they have the space for the additional lanes. Now, one thing to note, we're going to see the Bull Bay police station in a little bit. That police station has to be removed because it's in the path of the highway. So it was announced recently that a new station was going to be built. But everybody knew that police station had to be removed years ago. So why didn't they start building it years ago? I just don't get it. There is I don't know how to word it, but that police station should have been built already, the new one. They shouldn't have to wait until now. So if the road was to have, in March, it was announced the road would finish in April, this section, the Harborview to Yalos. But the police station is still there. So if the road had finished in April, that means they would have had to remove the police station and no new one put in. So I'm not sure what's going on with there seems to be some miscommunication or disconnect with the monitoring of this project. And there are some people who say, a lot of persons think this project won't finish, this section won't finish in August, but nonetheless, we will give you updates weekly on this project so that we can see it for ourselves. 14 weeks away, so we'll give you an update every week. And something that was recently with this project is it's like 132 kilometers of roadway to be built. And the section from Harborview to Yalos is being done by China Harbor Engineering Company. They are the main contractor. But there are other sections. Let's say when you get into Yalos and heading towards Port Antonio, the section where you go through Yalos is being done by local contractors. So the government came out recently and said the NWA, the National Works Agency, is not in charge of the contractors. It is China Harbor Engineering Company who is in charge of the subcontractors. So that was very interesting. And no work is being done. We have videos up at the Yalos section of the highway, and we didn't see one piece of equipment, not one person working on that section of the road. Now, Minister Warmington, who is in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, who is in charge of this project, and that is where NWA is in that agency, toured this road in this week. And he too said he's disappointed with the Yalos section of the road where the subcontractors are working, or supposed to be working. And he even went as far as to say they need to step up because it's looking like local contractors cannot do the work basically and we need to bring in a foreign contractor to do the work. So it is that is just another example of some miscommunication. Okay, this is the actual police station that's going to be removed. As you can see, it's in the path of the highway. This was known years ago. So those are basically the updates on the project. The police station still hasn't been removed, and the minister toured, and he too is disappointed with the yellow section of the road. I haven't heard any new dates as to the completion of the Harborview to yellow section, so it's still August 2023. So we'll keep you guys updated. So guys, let us know what you think. One, about why it's taking so long to build a new police station, and the minister touring the road and his comments on the local subcontractors. Alright guys, now this is a section of the road that's almost complete, so this will give you an idea of what it's going to look like. Very nice road, 4 lanes, dual carriageway. Now the 2 lanes on this side are complete, so they're using them for traffic in each direction, but on the left they're still working on that side. So once it's finished, it will be 4 lanes, 2 lanes in each direction. Alright guys, give us your feedback, your comments on this project, and let us know what you think about the local subcontractors and the police station. And if you have any videos you want us to make, just leave a comment in the section below and we'll be happy to do it. We give you updates on all the major projects going on in Jamaica every 2 weeks. This one is the largest road project on the way in Jamaica, so we will do it every week, and for the smaller projects we'll do it at least once a month. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.